We're here at my uncle's house having a look at his garage doors. I don't know if I made a video of this one before in the past. This is a Genie screwdriver. And it's the model 2060L-07/M. It's one of these. These are childhood. My other uncle just so happens to have one in their garage. This is actually where I got my inspiration to illegally mount the sensors on my Genie screwdriver. So let's give this a run. I don't know why, but this has a rail extension kit on it, so that's a bit strange. Ooh. So there's that one. There appears to be some sort of orange slip of paper in the light cover. Very strange. There is also this door here, which does not have an operator on it. And over here is the big door with the 1265 LM, which has been relocated to above the ceiling. Now, I don't have the remote for this right now, so I can't do an outdoor shot, but we will run this one as well, and we're going to use the neon doorbell button back here. We're going to go over here and then close it with the... What's this? Okay, never mind. I thought that was another wall button. We're going to close it with what I believe is the 72 LM, which has a cracked button. So dogs trip the sensors. Actually, that section there I learned is a replacement. This door used to only go up to right there. It was added on. These are both flat panel doors. Well, here's the opener, and it appears they put a light bulb in it, which is kind of strange. 1265 LM. I filmed this one before in the past. Now, I don't think... See if my flash works. This is a new phone. It's of 2000, I believe, or 2003. I'm not sure. This should be our... Is there? I think the ones you short. Is red and white. So, don't have anything over here to run this operator with. Let me check, because I don't have the remote. Well, here's this really rusty nut. I don't really care enough to run this, because I already made a video of this, but we'll do it again. It should be. There's the top of the door. And then I'm gonna leave this bolt here. 1265 LM in its update. And here it is with the doghouse back on. It's kind of weird me seeing the light on, which is weird. It wasn't like that last time. I guess what we will do is an outside run. Jeez. And there's a look at that replacement section.